That big got a boner.
Dude has no clue he's dancing with a man. Oh, that's a dude. Oh no! I just realized, is that a guy? No, that's not a guy, is it? Dude has no clue he's dancing with a man. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. He definitely did some drugs. Okay. He had the lab mic, whatever. He had the microphone on, you know. He was set up and he was back there doing that. The denied. Painful to see. Someone's cheating or something.
Stop.
Wait, so he had a lap. Someone's watching. My dude's got the strength of me. You got caught. Wait, so he had a laptop, but he chose to pull it up on a TV in front of everyone. Not the brightest guy on earth.
To stay in the match, what do you tell yourself differently?
Because I know if I don't win this game, I'm done. So I just, I'm good from behind.
Oh, the guys are getting excited. Are good from behind. Hey!
Come back here.
On live TV too, no. Showing us. I never said that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, that kind of hurt. Like, I know you're a man, but like, yo, you can't deny someone a hug, bro. Oh, God, you got hurt to see. Like, don't get me wrong, I wouldn't go give him hugs, and if someone tried to hug, bro.